Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Ruby here. So today you guys, let's do a face mask for my face. This is my face. I don't know, I wake up this morning, my eyes them look a little bit under eye look a little bit on the baggy side, but today let's do a mask for the face. So if it's your first time here, welcome to my channel, and if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. On my channel I have two channels. I have J Spark Makeup and I have Ruby Beauty Lifestyle. So Ruby Beauty Lifestyle is something that I post hair products, skincare, and also I'm going to try and do like what I have in a day and so on. So let's start out by saying today we are going to use rice flour, you guys. So if you have dark circle, high pigmentation, dark spot, these are products that you can use on your skin. The only thing that you have to do is try and test it on your skin before you, when you mix it, before you apply it to your face. So I'm gonna use some rice flour today in my mixture here. And also, I'm having a throat problem. I am going to use some turmeric powder in my mixture, and this is the turmeric, so I'm not gonna measure. I'm just gonna put some in the rice flour here. And also the next items on the list is lemon juice. So if you have a whole lemon, you don't have to use the whole one, just cut it, use part of it. Or if you have the lemon juice in a bottle, you can use it. So I'm gonna squeeze some of this lemon juice in this mixture, and I'm going to just mix it a bit out, and then make sure that I get it a bit and the not too thick. So I am squeezing the lemon, but still for all the lemon still I need some more to thing there. So if you have like high pigmentation and so on, are you looking for a more clearer, more natural looking beautiful skin, these are product that you can use. So I'm still squeezing this lemon in it because, as I said, I need it to be more softer for the face. And today we're not going to put any honey. I'm just gonna use just, so guys, when you are going to apply mask on your face, make sure you apply it on a clean face. So this is it. I am just going to use today a gloves to apply the product to my face instead of using this one here. So I'm gonna use this gloves and I'm gonna apply the mask to my face. And also make sure, if you have turmeric in there, make sure you put on something that is old, because you know turmeric is stain to the face. So this is what I'm doing. I'm not gonna apply this mask to my neck because I already take a shower. I'm just gonna apply it to the face. You can use any turmeric you have. If you have any turmeric powder, you can use it. Or if you don't have a lemon and you have the lemon juice in a bottle, you can also use it. But because I always have lemon in my fridge, this is a part of my daily routine to have lemon home, because I use it for all different type of purpose. And I'm just gonna put the mask, and I'm going to make sure that I do scrub the mask circular motion on my face. Like an exfoliator mask. And this mask can put, the rest of it can put away into a small container, lock tight, put it into your refrigerator. That means if you need to do another mask day, this is something that you can do another mask day for your face or your body or whatever. But as for me, I'm not gonna apply it to my neck today. I'm just gonna apply it to the face, and then I'm gonna leave it there for some time. But I'm trying to make sure that the mask that I'm doing right now is soaked in my skin. So I'm gonna leave it there for, call it 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna wash it off. I'm gonna wash it off. So what I use in my mask today, I use rice flour, I use some turmeric and lemon, and then I also use some rose water. This is what I use in the mixture. So here it is. This is the lemon that I use. This is the turmeric that I use. Turmeric here. Sorry, this is the turmeric that I use on my face. Lemon and rice flour. 3 ingredients with the rose water. I just put a little bit of rose water in it to make sure that it's a little bit more thinner, because I was mixing it and it's come out a little bit thick. So I apply the rose water. And you can see this is how it is. So I'm gonna leave it here, and then I am going to come back. I'm gonna wash it off within 20 minutes, and then I am going to come back, okay? So guys, this is how the turmeric dried on my face. So I am going to wash my face, and then I am going to come back and show you how my face look. One of the reasons why I like to use turmeric and rice flour on my face, because it make my skin a little bit brighter. And since I started to use some different skincare, my skin look different, my face look different. So this is how my face look here. Very dry. You can see it's really dry on the skin. So let's take off this product and then I'll get back. Okay guys, so I'm back, and please, when you use turmeric on your face, make sure you wash it off properly. Or after you finish, make sure that you get a toning pad, and make sure that you clean off the turmeric off your face, because turmeric intend to stain. So you have to make sure that you clean it off properly off your face. I am using the carrot toning pad from the Korean line, and this is what I'm using right now to make sure that I get the excesses of the turmeric off my face here. So this is how my face look right now here, and my skin is a little bit brighter, although I'm trying to clean it, but you can see what is coming off. That's why I always said, don't just use turmeric and leave your face like that and said okay, it wash off properly. Don't care how you wash your face, make sure that you clean your face properly with a toning pad or something to make sure that your skin is very clean. And I also try to have a clean face when I am doing my skincare routine. So this is how my face is right now. It's a bit brighter on the brighter side. I'm not gonna use a lot today on my face. I'm just gonna put some Garnier eye cream underneath my eyes here, and this is how it looks. That's why I always say that you can get skincare that are affordable. This one eye cream here is affordable at the drugstore. This is something to be considered. I like to use this because you can just use this part of your eye here. This guy, your eye like this, and leave it here, and then you just use your finger and blend it out more properly. So this is one of my eye cream, which is very affordable at the drugstore. So today we are going to use today I'm just going to use just 2 products on my face, and this is the turmeric mist, water mist infused with kojic acid and hyaluronic acid for all skin type. It's strength, hydrate, dark spot, and anti-wrinkle. So this is what I am going to use on my face here, and I'm just gonna shake it up and I'm gonna sprit my face. It gives you that really nice glow on your skin. And because I'm not going outside, and then I'm just gonna add a little bit of sunscreen to it because it have the hyaluronic acid in it. So I'm just gonna add a bit of, and you can see I don't need much. My skin is really like, you know, really take to anything that I do apply to my skin. So this is what I'm going to use, and this is the Larry Parose. This is the Larry Rose Pazé. Sorry, I always can't pronounce this properly, but this is what I am going to use on my face. It have SPF of 15, and it is a ultra fluid sunscreen. So this is what I'm going to use all over my face after I finish apply that thing, and just a small amount. It's a white product, so I'm just gonna apply it to my skin, and I'm just gonna leave my skin there with this for the day until when I'm ready in the evening to do my skincare routine. So I don't need much for my skin, and you can see my skin is bright. My skin is really, really brighter, you guys. Really, really brighter. So this is how my skin look right now. And as I said, I always try to do a face mask. Sometime if I get the time, I do it 3 times for the week, but if I don't, I just do it like 1 time for the week. This is the rest of the product that I have of my mixture. I can use this another 3 times. All I need to do is just put it in my refrigerator in a small container and leave it there. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next upload. God bless you. Bye for now.